So I just figured out how to download these Facebook avatars to my device. Something I've been wanting to do for a while because I really want to use them. All these different stickers throughout my design and on my website and on my YouTube thumbnails and stuff like that. And I just didn't know how to do it because I'm also working from my computer, and I did not find a way to download these avatars, these stickers, from my computer. But now I just saw a video on YouTube of how to do it. First of all, to find all the stickers, you have to write in Facebook search avatar maker. You click, and then if you haven't made this avatar already, then you'll have to go through the process first of all to make it, and it takes around 3-4 minutes, and it's very fun. It's a lot of fun to do it. After that you can place the sticker, and now you have the option. You click on one of the stickers. You have to do each one individually. You choose more options, then you choose where to share or download it to. So I normally work from my drive, so this is the right account and the right folder, and then I press save, and now I can use it throughout my design. So I think that's very cute. I'll show you a few examples here in the end. So that's the daily tip, and good luck.